designer will help you maximize on the use of your space.
We're also very good at making the space look cohesive so that you don't have disjointed spaces within one project.
People are just assuming that interior designing is all about paint colors, textiles, fabrics, cushions, vases.
Interior designer should be involved from the very beginning. This means from the initial consultation with the client, where also the architect is involved. This helps to have proper coordination with the architect and the client, for both the interior designer and the architect to know what the client wants and how the spaces are going to be brought up from the client's needs. And this reduces a lot of back and forth between the architect and the client and the interior designer as well. This helps for proper coordination, and this helps with not overlooking spaces and things that mainly architects might overlook, because at the end of the day the client will be occupying the space, and the job of an interior designer is to make the space habitable for the client.
As soon as the idea of either remodeling, revamping or construction comes to mind, you should be able to engage an interior designer. It saves up on cost and also helps you to bring your ideas to life. If you have an architect on site, you should also be able to engage an interior designer on set as they go, because they also help in checking out the architect's drawings so that they could also input some pointers in case they missed out on various spaces. So I've summarized into 3 phases. First phase is the planning phase, where you, as an interior designer, he or she gets to review the architectural drawings, from the plans to the space layouts. Space layouts means the way the kitchen will look or the way the living room will turn out to be. The second phase is during the construction phase. So once the building is set up, they can easily come in to specify on the color scheme to be used, the finishes proposed or the joineries, and the various spaces where they'll be placed. And the final stage is the interior design phase. This is where we come in when the building is almost done. It's the finishing stage, either the soft furnishings mostly, either the sofas, the appliances, the beds, etc. Yes, and also the sanitary ware will also come in handy.